Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send large files on Google Drive. So first of all, you don't need to use Google Drive. You have two ways actually that you can pull this off. You could just go ahead to the Google Drive and then try to actually subscribe to the Google Drive Premium or the Google Drive, the extra gigabytes, right? They will give you a free trial for your storage and for 30 days, and then you can start paying maybe $5 or something like that a month, right? You can do that. Another way of doing that, you can just go back to your screen, go to your Gmail. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click compose right here at the bottom right corner. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and insert the attachment at the top right here, and I'm gonna allow the files to be here. If the file is over 25 megabyte, that means that you have to that's the space limit in Google Drive. But in Gmail you can upload the file, right, and you can send it or make it linked to your to your Google Drive, and basically add the recipient name in subject, basically forward it to that person, and then you can download it from that other email, and then you can forward it right away to your Google Drive. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.